Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO M5s to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, access it. Now, in order to continue, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to and close it by selecting OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your POCO and Receive on an Android next to it. Finally, you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of your categories and then hit Send next to selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, select one of those options. Tap on Close this window and finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, sorry, typo, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!